When to use a slash. Make your writing look more professional by learning how to use this punctuation symbol. Before we start, continually improve your English. Click the subscribe button, the bell icon, and then all. Now, the forward slash, or slash as it's commonly called, has 5 main uses in English. Note, the backslash is only used in computer coding. So, with slash, use number 1, to indicate or. In the picture, we see an iPhone left on a table. Sentence example: a customer had left his/her phone on the table. In other words, a customer, either him or her, had left their phone on the table. Use number 2, in abbreviations. The picture shows an old envelope postmarked 1935 to the Illinois Steel Company, care of F.J. Reef. The sentence reads, the abbreviation CO means care of, and it is used in an address when the letter is being sent to a person by using someone else's address or a company address. Use number 3, dates and fractions. In the picture, we see the date 1st of the 1st, 2022. It's written using the slash symbol, and also the fraction 2/3. Now use number 4, to indicate a line break, as in a poem or song. In the picture, we see the opening verse of a poem by Robert Frost, written in continuous lines, with the line break indicated by a slash. Use number 5, to indicate connection or conflict. The picture shows a cleverly designed graphic showing the conflict between those who believe in creation and those who believe in evolution. The sentence reads, the evolution-creation debate has stirred up much controversy for many decades. It could also be written, the evolution versus creation debate. So, in summary, the slash symbol can be used 1 to indicate or, 2 in abbreviations, 3 in dates and fractions, 4 to indicate a line break, and 5 to indicate connection or conflict. Has this video helped you? Then like, share or comment now. And build a powerful English vocabulary with my free course on Udemy. Just go to goodenglish.online.